Hi guys, welcome back. Today on this video I want to show you how to make an ice cream at home without an ice cream maker. This recipe is so simple, anyone can do it. I hope you like it and I hope you try it out. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider hitting the subscribe button, and thank you so much for being here. Now let's get started. So the first thing is to make a condensed milk, and if you've got condensed milk from the supermarket, you do not need to do this step. And I used a half cup of milk powder, and all the quantities of the ingredients that I used are going to be written here on this video. And also I added icing sugar or powdered sugar. If you do not have, you can just grind the normal sugar to get powdered sugar. And then I added water, and also I added baking soda. After that, I just went ahead to mix everything together until all the ingredients have come together nicely and until no lumps are being formed. This is just an easy recipe, do it yourself. For in case sometimes you need condensed milk and you do not have the store-bought one, you can just make it so quickly and then now make your ice cream. So you're just going to give it a good mix, and once you're satisfied that it's okay, you're going now to transfer it to a sufuria on medium to low flame, and now you're just going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. And I just realized later that I used a bigger sufuria. You can use a small one depending on the amount that you are making. And after cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, now set it aside and ready for the next step. And I used whipped cream 1 cup, and this whipped cream I had whipped it because I had just completed decorating a cake. That's why you see it's thick. But if you do not have the whipped one, you just buy from the supermarket, chill it, and then whip 1 cup of it. And then add now the condensed milk that we just made. And after adding condensed milk, just give it a good mix. Continue mixing until everything has come together, until the condensed milk and the whipping cream has come together nicely. And after that, I just went in with a hand mixer, but if you have a whisk, it will work just fine. Just continue mixing and beating, whipping the cream. And since I wanted 2 flavors, one strawberry and the other vanilla, I divided the mixture into 2, but now this is an optional step. You do not have to do it, but if you do it, guys, this ice cream was so delicious. You're going to love it. And then I added strawberry essence, like 1 teaspoon to that mixture. And the reason why the mixture turned pink is because strawberry essence also has color, but there is also the strawberry essence that is plain without the pink color. So this is the one I got, and that's what I used. And now just continue mixing until you have incorporated all the essence into the mixture like this, and then you're going to set it aside. And now moving on, I added vanilla essence to the remaining mixture. Just add the correct amount depending on the amount of the mixture that you made, and then you're just going to give it a good mix. See, you guys, if you do not have an ice cream maker, you can just make an ice cream at home and you're going to absolutely love it. It's absolutely delicious. And now add the 2 mixtures into a container that you can freeze with. I used a baking tin in my case. So I was alternating. I just put the one with the strawberry essence, and then I add the vanilla essence one, strawberry essence, like that, just like you would if you are making a zebra cake. And after that, you're just going now to tap it on the table just to ensure that it is flat and that it is well laid in the tin. And after that, I just covered mine with a plastic wrap and now put it in the freezer overnight. And now the next day, you can see how it looks. Just remove from just unwrap it. And now it is ready to serve. I used an ice cream scoop to scoop mine, and it was absolutely delicious. You can see the patterns. You can see the white and the pink one just because of the different essences that I used. But you can use vanilla, you can use strawberry, just to your liking. Thank you so much.